Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 54 divided by 9 upon 3 times 6. This expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong option. Cut it like this. 3 times 2 is 6. Is equal to 54 divided by 9 times 2. They think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So they do the multiplication between 9 and 2. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Is equal to 54 divided by 18. Now they do the division between 54 and 18. Is equal to 3. 3 is the wrong answer. Now we find the correct answer. 54 divided by 9 upon 3 times 6. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of multiplication and division hold the same equal priority level. So, we must start from the left and move toward the right. Perform these operations in order. Use the rule of KCF. K stands for keep the first number as it is, like this 54. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, like this. Flip the second fraction, like this 9 upon 3 say 3 upon 9. 54 times 3 upon 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54. Cut it like this. Numerator multiplication is equal to 6 times 3 times 6. We do the multiplication. Is equal to 108. 108 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेअर और कमेंट कीजिए. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनल.